Hello friends, I am Ambika. Welcome to SA Educational Hub, a platform to share knowledge. Service providers Situn and Ambika. In this Python tutorial video, we will learn what is an identifier, rules for identifiers in Python, examples of valid and invalid identifiers in Python, 7-point suggestions for naming. What is an identifier? The identifier is one feature that is present in all computer languages. An identifier allows us to name data and other objects in the program. Identifiers refer to the names of variables, functions, classes, objects, lists, etc. Each identified object in the computer is stored at a unique address. They are the fundamental requirement of any language. Each programming language has its own rules for naming these identifiers. Rules for identifiers in Python. An identifier is a sequence of letters and digits. The first character must be a letter. The underscore counts as a letter. Upper and lowercase letters are different. Identifiers may have any length. An identifier must not be a keyword. An identifier can be only one word with no spaces. Examples of valid identifiers: message underscore 1, greeting underscore message, variable 1, underscore variable 1, variable underscore 1, student underscore name, basic pay. Here P is in uppercase. Variable, here all the letters are in uppercase. Variable, here first letter is in uppercase. V, valid but poor style. Examples of invalid identifiers: 1 underscore message, first character digit, that is why it is invalid identifier. Similarly, greeting spaces message, content space. $variable 1, special character $ is illegal. Greeting hyphen message contains hyphen, break, keyword. Roll #1, hash is illegal. 7-point suggestions for naming. Choose names that are descriptive. The identifier should be clear enough that another coder might look at it and understand what it stands for. For example, use student underscore name instead of s underscore n. When it comes to how to write multi-word names, there are different schools of thought. Camel case and underscores are two methods generally used for writing multi-word identifiers. Is it student underscore name or student name? Here n is in uppercase. The first one is underscore method and the second one is camel case method. But it is not important which method we use, as long as we are consistent. It is a Python convention that to start your identifiers with a lowercase letter. Another convention is to avoid starting your identifiers with an underscore. Names that start with an underscore have a special meaning in Python. Identifiers should be short but descriptive. Names that are too long can create problem. They can make it difficult to read statements. For example, student underscore name is better than s underscore n and name underscore length is better than length underscore of underscore persons underscore name. Avoid using Python keywords and built-in function names as identifier. That is, do not use words that Python has reserved for a particular purpose, such as the word print. The lowercase letter l and the uppercase letter o should be used with caution because they can be confused with numbers 1 and 0. Identifiers are case sensitive, meaning that count, count and count are 3 different identifiers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Previous video was keywords in Python. Next video is literals in Python. Contact us ambikarai27@gmail.com. Thank you.